Here we have a solar UV mosquito killer. This item I bought from Wish. Most items that I buy from Wish, usually the box come in pretty rough shape. Let's see how the product is. So in this box, we have a solar bug zapper. Here are the instructions. Let's go ahead and take all the items out of the box. So as you can see, we have to put this thing together. Here I am joining the two pieces together. There's two ways to mount your solar bug zapper. Here's one of the options, is to insert your bug zapper right into the ground. The second option is a bracket to hook it right onto your wall or onto your fence. It just screws directly onto the back, so you can hook it right onto your fence. This is how large the solar bug zapper is. It's a fairly nice size, not too large and not too small. Make sure when you set up your solar bug zapper outside, the solar screen is facing the sunny side of your property. Make sure your bug zapper is turned on. You will find these two buttons on the back of your solar bug zapper. If you decide that you do not want to do the solar option, you have the choice of using the USB cord. This is where you insert the cord for charging. The nice thing is with the USB charging is you don't have to worry about those cloudy days. You have a 90-degree rotation with your solar panel. It is waterproof and the brightness can be adjusted. You want to let it charge for at least a full day. This will be nice to keep your bug population down in your backyard. If you're looking to purchase this item, you can either buy it on Wish or on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos and remember to like and subscribe.